In the beginning everything was in perfect harmony. The garden bloomed with beauty. Adam and Eve walked with God. They were naked and felt no shame. But danger had entered the garden. The serpent was cunning, more crafty than any other beast. He spoke to the woman. "Has God really said, 'You must not eat from any tree in the garden'?" Eve replied, "We may eat from the trees in the garden, but not from the one in the middle. We must not touch it, or we will die." "You will not surely die," the serpent said. "God knows that when you eat of it, your eyes will be opened, and you will be like God, knowing good and evil." The woman saw that the tree was good for food, pleasing to the eye, and desirable for gaining wisdom. Then their eyes were opened, and they realized they were naked. They heard the sound of the Lord God walking in the garden in the cool of the day, and they hid. "Where are you? I heard you and was afraid, because I was naked. So I hid." God asked, "Who told you that you were naked? Have you eaten from the tree I commanded you not to eat from?" "Adam, the woman you gave me. She gave me the fruit, and I ate it." "Eve, the serpent deceived me, and I ate." And so the Lord declared judgment. "Cursed are you, serpent. You will crawl on your belly. To the woman, I will greatly increase your pain in childbirth." To Adam, "Cursed is the ground because of you. By the sweat of your brow, you will eat food until you return to the dust." God made garments of skin for Adam and Eve and clothed them. Then he said, "They must not eat from the tree of life and live forever." One decision shattered the harmony of creation, but this was not the end. Even in judgment, God clothed them. Even in exile, his presence would not vanish. This is the story of the fall, and the first glimpse of redemption.